Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming you have device owner or administrator access, because you can't change restricted system settings without it. Once done, turn on Wi-Fi or mobile data and temporarily disable any VPN or proxy. Those often route or block Play traffic. Now go to Settings, Open Apps, and tap Google Play Store. This is where you'll clear data, check permissions, and re-enable the store if it's been disabled. Do these first steps so the system will accept later changes. Now you will clear and reset the app to remove corrupted state that can block access. First, from the Play Store app page, choose Storage, then Clear Cache and Clear Data, and force stop the app. This removes temporary blocks. Next, enable all required permissions for Google Play Store and Google Play services, because missing permissions can prevent installs. If the problem persists, uninstall Play Store updates to roll it back. Then update Google Play services. This repairs mismatched versions. Finish by rebooting the device to apply changes. Once it's back, open Play Store and try a small download. If that fails, sign out of your Google account and sign back in to refresh account permissions. Make sure Family Link or parental controls are disabled for installs, and inspect your router or DNS/firewall rules, because network filtering often blocks Play access. If nothing works and you've exhausted settings, a factory reset can clear deep configuration problems. Only use that as a last resort after backing up data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.